I'm also vlogging. Transaction error gitu. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Official day 1 here in South Korea. Time check. It's 10, almost 10:30. Lexi, don't run We are going to Daiso, the famous 12-story Daiso, 12-story building. Okay, let's go. Good sightseeing there is a Korea, but I don't understand a single word. Lisod sabtun. Plus, it's very cold. I don't know if I'm like against the light right now, but yeah, it's really good here. I like dagan. Mau ni gayo gapon.
Mo ni? Map.
Uy, sleepy man.
Oh, ikaw lang daw, please.
Nasa password na eh.
Ano, tang-tang?
Dali na, dali na. Yan na. Murag dari dahin dari. Dari dari. Walking downtown Myeongdong. Pwede rin tadi yate ani agi oh.
Close lang your eyes still, ha? Cover your face. Cover your face. Cover.
Oh, they have Uber here. May McDo ay. Satbang. Money exchange. But we don't have cash. Na ay money exchange. But wala may cash. So we're really looking for an ATM. No. We don't have bills. Kailangan nag-bill, uy. Kailangan nag-bill. Umtay bill. Favorite almond nuts. Here. A lot of cafes in here. I'm guessing people also used to drink coffee, especially this type of weather. It's very cold. Very cold. I thought there's gonna be less people around because it's Sunday. Yep, there it is. May mga daghan yung mga kuan niyo. Basig na yung ATM diha ba?
Mauna ka?
Basig na yung mga ATM diha.
Ano ka ta? Sige. Mauna lang ba rin yung dong street?
May sigarilyo dre ay. Nasa doon. Ang saan Bunny Studios? Sumano ko an ay. Sabi na
Wala
ko.
na siya ang Myeongdong Street. Wala din.
Okay.
Lakad.
First priority ATM.
Lagi.
Mura kog naa sa K-drama karon.
Bye-bye, birds.
May mga gloves diha eh.